page of this worksheet and we will start the next question, which is question number 5. Okay, chalo, let's start. What do you mean by information? What do you mean by information? So write down the answer. The meaningful and organized form of data is called information. Okay, the meaningful and organized form of data is called information. Okay, so now the next question is, what is IPO? So first of all, write down IPO stands for, you all know IPO stands for input, process and output. Okay, input, process and output. So what does IPO means? What does it does? So we are going to write that also. So write down in the next line, computer accepts the input, processes it, कहाँ पे प्रोसेस होता है? तो प्रोसेसेस इट इन CPU and shows output. ओके, हमें आउटपुट फिर मिलता है मॉनिटर में या प्रिंटर में. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज लिटिल बिट बिग but we have to write it. Okay, so let's start. The question is, explain the characteristics of computer. So let's start. The first characteristics, here the characteristics are given and you have to explain the characteristics. In the earlier worksheet, what the question was, name the characteristics. Now here name is given to you and you have to explain it. Okay, chalo. First is speed. So speed, what we will write? It works very fast. It means who? Computer. It works very fast means computer works very fast. Second, accuracy. So accuracy, what we are going to say about accuracy? It always gives accurate results. It always gives accurate result. Okay, now diligence. So here what we are going to write? It can work for hours, means it can work for hours, मतलब घंटों तक काम कर सकता है. It can work for hours. Now versatility. So versatility we are going to write It can perform. It can perform. It can perform different. It can perform different work. अलग अलग टाइप के काम कर सकता है, तो इट कैन परफॉर्म डिफरेंट वर्क एट द सेम टाइम. एट द सेम टाइम. एट द सेम टाइम. एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे काम विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक उतने ही स्पीड में कर सकता है. ओके. नाउ स्टोरेज. सो राइट डाउन हियर. इट कैन store lots of information. It can store lots of information for longer time. For लॉन्गर टाइम मतलब बहुत टाइम के लिए बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर कर सकता है. ओके. नाउ लास्ट इज नो फीलिंग्स. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट हैज नो इमोशंस. इट हैज नो इमोशंस. ओके. सो ये क्वेश्चन हमारा कंप्लीट. नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वाई सीपीयू इज कॉल्ड द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सीपीयू को कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन क्यों कहा जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज, चलो स्टार्ट राइटिंग अलॉन्ग विथ मी. सीपीयू इज कॉल्ड the brain of computer because it performs all calculations. It performs all calculations. Okay. And it takes all decisions. Okay. It takes all decisions and controls all units of computer. Write down here. And control all units of computer. Okay, your answer is complete. Now last two questions are there. Chalo. Okay, the next question is, name the two types of monitor. You all know this answer, right? Two types of monitor. Which are they? Liquid crystal display means LCD, and cathode ray tube means CRT are the two types of monitor. Okay, chalo. Now, who invented the mouse? Very easy answer. Chalo, give me the answer. Yes, you all are right. Douglas. Remember the spelling. Douglas. Douglas. Engelbart. Engelbart. Douglas Engelbart invented the mouse. Okay. Now our worksheet is complete. Okay everyone. Yes.